Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to delete Instagram search history. Okay, let's see friends, I show you. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.